Welcome back to our tutorials. If you missed our last tutorial, watch our video on how to add products in UZAPOINT. On this video, we get to learn how to import products via a CSV file. Let's get started. First, confirm if all your categories, subcategories, and the units of measurements are added in the system. If not, go to Products and Classification to add your categories, subcategories, and the URLs. You can also watch the tutorial on how to add products for more clarifications. To import products via CSV, expand the Products module and click on Manage. On the Add Products section, there is an alert if the title available now. Click on the bolded text, Add multiple products. On the section that appears, you can read the import guide and download a sample import file. You can refer to this guide in case of any challenges faced when practically trying to import the products. Now proceed to download the CSV by clicking the Download CSV button. Once it has downloaded, go to your downloads and open the file. It should open in Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet processor. The first row that is prefilled is the heading row, which contains the heading for all the columns to be filled. Leave this heading row as it is and start filling up your product details from the second row. Let's go ahead and fill up the columns. The first column is the product subcategory. The heading has in it all the product subcategories you added in your account enclosed in a square bracket. For example, soft drinks, which is in the category drinks, and juices, which is also in the category drinks. To select the subcategory, enter the whole subcategory as it is in the choices up to the comma. Remember to include the number in the bracket. For example, to select subcategory soft drinks, I will copy up to the end of the comma, including the number. Proceed to paste it. Your subcategory should look like this. In case you do not see the subcategory you want, go back to Products Classification, add it, and download the CSV file afresh. On the Products Name column, enter the name of the product. For example, Fanta Orange. Be sure not to duplicate the product names. Next, on the product type, select from the bracket if the product is a good or a service. For this case, my product is a good. I will select up to the end of the comma and paste it on the field. On the unit of measurement column, select the UOM as it is from the choices. Be sure to include the number in the bracket. For my case, my product is a piece. In the next 4 columns, you choose between yes or no. For a product that you can sell, select yes. It is advisable to copy and paste just so that you don't miss on the capitalization. For a product you can keep track of its stock, select yes. If not, select no. The same applies to the product you can purchase. Select between yes and no to tell if the product can expand. Fill in the buying price of the product on the cost field, and the selling price on the price field. Ensure you do not put comma separators on the amount figures. On the purchase tax, select the tax applicable when purchasing the item. For my case, VAT. The sale tax applies to products you can sell. Select the tax applicable, and if you have more than one choices, ensure you put a comma separator in between the choices. For example, if my product has both VAT and levy, I will copy the VAT and levy, having a comma separator in between. Do the same for all the products. It's important to scan through your products to make sure all the fields are filled up and no comma separators have been used on the amount figures. Once done, save the file. Remember to maintain the CSV format when saving the file. Now it's time to do the import. Go back to UZAPOINT's dashboard. On Import Products, click on Choose File. Select the file you just saved and click on Import Products. Your products will be successfully imported. If the import is successful, you will find all your products in the List Product section. And if it wasn't successful, cross-check the CSV file again and then upload. In case you attempt to import several times and it's still unsuccessful, you can either chat us or call us on the phone number given at the end of this video. One of our customer care representatives will get in touch with you. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Next, we get to learn how to add our customers in the UZAPOINT dashboard.